In this video, we will introduce the new platform of the committee to support the implementation and compliance of the Escazú Agreement. We will also review the steps required to submit a communication. Let's get started. The committee's platform is publicly accessible and available in Spanish and English. It has 6 main sections. About. Here you can explore the committee's origin and nature, regulatory framework, members and functions. This section provides comprehensive context on its structure and purpose. Sessions. A space to keep up to date with committee meetings. Here you can check the schedule of upcoming meetings and access details and documents from previous ones. Communications. This section contains general information about communications, as well as the option to send a new one, check its status and access the public repository of communications. Reports. This section contains functions to support the conference of the parties on the implementation and compliance of the agreement, such as activity reports to the COP, systemic issues reports, and reports on any aspect of implementation and compliance of the agreement requested by the COP. Other functions. This section contains the functions to provide advice and assistance to the parties on the implementation and compliance of the agreement, such as general comments, queries on the interpretation of the agreement, periodic consultations and dialogues with the parties, and open dialogue with the parties and the public. In the Ongoing tab you can find more information about those functions that are in progress. Additional resources. This section provides access to supplementary materials that enhance the understanding of the technical and practical aspects of the committee. Next, we'll go over the steps for submitting a communication. First, go to the Communications section and select Submit a Communication. There, you'll find information on the requirements and necessary documents, along with a Frequently Asked Questions section. To access the form, click on Start Communication. The form is designed to submit a communication either to request support for the compliance of the Escazú Agreement or to allege non-compliance with one or more of its provisions. The form is divided into 4 sections. Essential information. Enter the essential data required to identify and process the communication. Communications can be submitted by a party in respect of itself, a state party in respect of another state party, or by members of the public who are nationals or subject to national jurisdiction of the state party. Facts and provisions. Describe the relevant facts and select the applicable provisions of the agreement. Internal steps taken and other procedures. Provide information on any actions taken within the state party to address the case or justify the absence of such actions. Additionally, indicate whether the same matter is or was being examined under another regional or international binding procedure. Evidence and supporting documents. Attach any supporting documentation relevant to the communication. Once the communication is submitted, the author will receive an automatic email confirming receipt and providing the case reference code. You can track the communication status through the status panel. To do so, follow these steps. Enter the communications reference code and the email address used for submission. Request the login link. Check your email and access the panel using the secure link provided. From the author's panel, the author can provide additional information if requested by the committee. Update the email address. Withdraw the communication at any time. Request a hearing on the merits. Initiate or respond to an amicable solution process. For more information on submitting communications, you can consult the guide to submitting a communication, available in the Additional Resources section. The new platform of the committee to support the implementation and compliance of the Escazú Agreement has been designed to facilitate access and interaction with the various processes related to the agreement. We hope this walkthrough has helped you better understand the site's features. If you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to contact us at comite.escazú@cpl.org.